Hey DIYers, Dylan here with Alarm Grid. Today we're going to review how to set up the quick arming feature for the GC Touch panel. What quick arming does is that it will allow me to arm the system without needing to enter in a user code. By default, this is usually enabled, but we'll go in, we'll check the setting, and I'll show what it's like if you have this feature enabled and disabled. Okay, so we have GC Touch panel here. We are going to check out the quick arm option. So again, first things first, panel is disarmed. Let's go into settings. Since this is an installer setting, we're entering the installer code 1561 as default. That'll bring us to our installer menu here. Where we're going to go is to advanced settings. And then we're going to go to system settings. And right here, so by default, let me just scroll down. Right here is our quick arming option. By default, it's enabled. So I will show what it's like when it's enabled and disabled. So quick arming enabled, what this does, back out, okay. What quick arming does is that if I press an arming option, it's going to give us this screen here. I can just go ahead and arm. It didn't ask me for my code or anything like that. I'll abort that. Okay. So now if I have quick arming disabled, advanced settings, system, quick arming disabled, and then I'll save back to the home screen, arm. Now we have this screen. So quick arming basically just lets you arm the system without needing to enter a code. When you disable that, it's going to ask for our code here. So let me do that. Enter. And then same thing, it's going to start arming it. So abort. One more time. Settings. Installer code. Advanced settings. System settings. Quick arming. Enabled. And save. And there we go. So it goes right back to the other screen where it's not asking for our code. So if you want to keep track of who is arming the system, even though it's going to track who's disarming, but if you want to keep track of who is arming as well, say you have a business, disabling quick arm would be much better, because the system and alarm.com will log every single user code that is used to arm or disarm the system. So if you want to know who's arming, disable quick arming. Okay, let's see. Another way you can arm and disarm the system is through a key fob. Key fobs don't really have much to do with quick arming because it's going to have a code that's already associated with the fob. So if you're, not right in front of the panel and you want to arm it, the key fobs have a range of about 350 feet. That's open air, so obviously walls, metal, wiring, and all that stuff can affect that range. Okay, so that was the quick arming feature on the GC Touch panel. As we saw, when it's enabled, it's just going to give us that arming option right away. We don't have to enter in a user code. But if we have this disabled, so if you want to keep track of who is arming the system, when we have it disabled, it shows us that keypad so we can enter in a user code before arming. If you liked the video, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified about any future videos we release. If you had any questions, our phone number is 888-818-7728. Our email address is support@alarmgrid.com. And if you come to our website, www.alarmgrid.com, we have a live chat feature there as well, so feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to assist you. Again, my name is Dylan from Alarm Grid, and thank you for watching.